Hi folks, hope you are having a nice day. Today I have come with another information session on project management certifications, and today my main aim is to talk about Prince2. Now the Prince2 certification, it is basically termed as the projects in control environment. That's why it's called Prince2 certification. Now this is a process-based project management method that offers a systematic approach to delivering a successful project with clear templates, processes and steps, and this is one of the certification which is basically at par with PMP certification from PMI. And people usually do this PRIM2 certification basically for IT based projects. Because of its easiness, there is less complexity in dealing with the projects based on the methodology defined by Prince2. Now, Prince2 basically was developed as a UK government standard for information systems projects, as I was discussing. Okay, in July 2013, the rights to Prince2 was transferred from Her Majesty Cabinet Office to XLS Limited. And basically, there was a joint venture between the Cabinet Office and the Capita with a percentage of 49 to 51% stake. That's the inside information of people who may be interested to know why Prince2. And it was established in 1989, so it's a pretty big time now. So they have a good set of resources. The reason we are talking about XLS and all these things is that they have a good approach and it has been tested from 1989 onwards. And basically, it was used by the United Kingdom for its information system projects, and now it has become a worldwide. It has got a worldwide recognition. Now they offer certain kind of certifications. One is the foundation one, which is for the beginners, and it introduces learners with the new terms. Practitioner is one level up of the foundation course, and after the practitioner, the certificate of 5 years expired, so you can apply for a re-registration by showing that you are still associated with the project profession, or you can go to the professional stage, like who already have a practitioner certificate and they want to enhance their certifications from the practitioner one to the professional one. And the other things which the Prince2 has introduced is the agile certification, and this is basically mostly done in the IT field where you need a little bit of agility. So Prince2 have its own agility body of knowledge. So it has both the foundation one and it has the agile practitioner certificates also. So and mostly the concepts of Scrum Master and the Kanban is being used in the agility domains. Now, the methodology of Prince2 is based on 7 stages, which is starting a project, directing a project, initiation of a project, planning of a project, controlling the elements of the project, how the project will be monitored, and finally the closing of the project. So these are the 7 methodologies or 7 stages which are considered by Prince2 in its methodology. And the roles where this Prince2 can help the people in their profession, people with the service delivery manager, project control officer, PMO coordinators, which is the project management office coordinators, people associated with the projects, directors of the projects, and business analysts who basically are required to analyze the business activities so they can also take advantage of the Prince2 certification if they achieve that certification part. Now, something inside about the certification exams. Prince2 Foundation 1 is a 60-minute online test which requires you only 55% stage to pass. Okay, in Prince2 Practitioner 1, you have 68 multiple questions with a pass mark of 55%, but it is basically a 2.5-hour exam. Agile Foundation is 1 hour multiple choice paper, which comprises of 50 questions with a pass mark of 55%. And the Agile Practitioner Certificate is also having 50 questions with a pass mark of 60, which means that 30 marks has to be obtained to pass out of 15, and it is a 2.5 hours, which is a 150 minutes duration. So this is something insight about the certification exam. Now the benefits, it improves your position. This qualification is recognized around the world. You can use Prince2 with your name, and it helps you how to improve the delivery of the projects which you have in hand, and it has a very good structure approach. Now, these are the benefits. That was the picture format. This is, it helps you like to define the roles and responsibilities, simplified process in the project itself, and it helps a very effective risk method assessment methodology, and it helps you to deliver high quality service to the customers. Now, the Prince 2 practitioner certificate is valid for 3 years, at the end of which you either need to resit the practitioner exam or maintain your certificate through subscription to My Prince 2. And this is basically, you can either join My Prince 2 within 3 months of passing an exam and remain subscribed for 3 years by renewing subscription each year, or you can maintain your Prince 2 digital badge, because they give you a digital badge similar to one which is shown on the screen, and you will need to record a 20 continuous professional development points each year in the prescribed category for the badge to be get extended on renewal. So by satisfying either of the thing, you will be issued a new certificate, and which will be valid for another 3 years. And these CPDs are basically similar to continuous professional educations or project management or the professional development units, which is used by PMP. So we can help you with earning these 20 CPDs if you join a journey with Delphi. And we have certain platforms which will allow you to earn the CPDs during each year and fulfill your requirement of the certification if you want to pursue a career in Prince 2 certification. What Delphi has to offer? We have a very good and very robust learning management system. So we offer you our platform, and we are flexible with our timings because we understand that you guys are very much busy with your professional life, and everybody wants to enhance their career with the limited time available out of the family and the working environment. So we are flexible. We can provide you career guidance. We provide hands-on training on project management specifically. We help you in earning PDUs or the CPDs, whatever is applicable with the certification. We help you in the career progression through knowledge upgrade, and our aim is to make you industry ready so that you get, and the learning curve is reduced in your organization, and the people would love to keep you as a good resource. This is what is available on our plate as Delphi, and we have like these certifications, training courses, and we can help you in mock drills and mock tests for the certification, and we can help you obtain your career dream and help you to progress your career. If you are interested to be part of Delphi journey, you can contact us on the following detail numbers: mobile, email. You can contact on us on your website. You can reach on our landline, and we will be the most happiest person to assist you in fulfilling your career dreams. This is for now, and I will be like taking the leave now, and maybe we will soon see you on our journey towards Prince 2 certification. Thank you very much for listening.